TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. This morning we are waking up at the Avani Sukhumvit Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. If you've been following this channel for a while, you probably know we have been to Bangkok many times, so I will leave more Bangkok content in the description of this video. But this will be our first time staying in this neighborhood with Avani. We are staying here in a Superior Skyline King Room on the 30th floor. A super clean, comfortable suite with a view of the city skyline and Chao Phraya River, a rooftop pool and bar on the 9th floor, and the most amazing buffet breakfast on the 7th. This hotel is also conveniently located just beside the On Nut BTS Skytrain station, making for easy and inexpensive transit to popular neighborhoods all along Sukhumvit Road and Central Station to connect you to other city transit. As I've mentioned previously, I love to explore the city by riverboat, but also by Skytrain and bus, and just exploring the city by transit is one of my favorite ways to do it. So on this trip, we did a little bit of everything. We spent our days here exploring by train and canal boat from On Nut to Asiatique, up the river to Icon Siam to enjoy shops, drinks, and views from their sky deck, and then back down to Siam Square, enjoying markets, street food, and tons of shopping along the way. So as our time in Thailand comes to a close, sadly, I did just want to hop on here and share this experience of our stay at Avani, because we really did enjoy this hotel and this location, especially for those traveling with families or who are looking to be in easy transit to all of the action, but not necessarily staying right in the chaos. So the proximity to the BTS was incredibly helpful. The staff here was so friendly, the rooms were so comfortable, and the food was top notch. So if you're heading this way, definitely check it out, see if it's something that would interest you. Otherwise, I will be linking more hotels, more videos from Bangkok in the description of this video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you are interested in seeing more travel content. We have a ton here, a ton coming up, so be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And until I see you in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next video.